In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your brand logo picture in Jitter. Jitter is a fantastic tool for creating swift and simple motion designs right on the web, perfect for enhancing your branding with ease. So let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Jitter website. It's a platform that offers various tools for motion design, very user-friendly and accessible directly through your web browser. This way, you don't have to worry about downloading any software. Everything is done online. Once you're on the website, the next step is to find and click on the My Files option. You'll typically find this option in the main menu. Clicking here will take you to your file library, where all your designs and uploads are stored. Now that we're in the My Files section, let's go ahead and click on Templates. This option will lead you to a collection of pre-made templates that you can use and customize according to your needs. Templates can save you a lot of time since they provide a great starting point for your designs. Within the templates, you'll see different categories. Here you'll want to select Logos. The logo category includes various templates specifically designed for logos. These templates are optimized to help you create professional-looking logos quickly and efficiently. Once in the Logos section, feel free to click on the round logo template or any other logo template that catches your eye. This action will open a new window showcasing the selected template. Jitter offers a wide array of templates, so whether your brand style is modern, classic, playful, or professional, there's something bound to match your requirements. Next, click on Duplicate to edit. Duplication allows you to create a personalized copy of the template so that any changes you make won't affect the original template. This is helpful if you need to experiment with different designs before finalizing your logo. After duplicating, click on the logo image within the template. This step is crucial because it selects the image layer where your current logo will be replaced with your brand's logo. Now that you have the image selected, click on the image on the scene. This highlights the image in the editing area so you can see the changes as you make them. Then click Replace Media to upload a new image. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to browse your local files and select your brand logo. Ensure that your logo file is prepared and ready for upload in a compatible format. Finally, once your new brand logo is in place, simply click on the play button to preview your newly customized animated logo. Jitter lets you see how the animations will unfold with your chosen logo in real time. And there you have it. Following these steps, you've successfully uploaded your brand logo in Jitter's intuitive platform, enhancing your branding with professional motion design. Play around with it, make adjustments as needed, and you'll have a logo that's ready to impress your audience. Thank you for watching and happy